viewers to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app now. Top headlines for today are: Tata and Airbus signed Rs 22,000 crore military contract. EV makers hiring college freshers. New mobility ecosystem for Ola customers. Now the news in detail are: Tata and Airbus have signed the biggest military order to manufacture new transport aircraft for the Indian Air Force. This Rs 22,000 crore deal will help promote the private sector towards defense manufacturing. Electric vehicle makers are hiring fresh college students instead of experienced professionals. They say that in the EV industry, even the professionals will have to learn, which will put them at par with freshers. Ola is building new mobility ecosystem for its customers through Ola-designed electric vehicles customized for diverse shared mobility needs. The three pillars of this ecosystem are new mobility services, new energy vehicles and new auto retail. As per the Global Startup Ecosystem Report 2021, Bengaluru ranked 23rd in the Global Startup Ecosystem ranking, followed by Delhi at 36th position. Growth stage startups are set to create 1 lakh white-collar jobs this year. These 243 companies added nearly 55,000 new white-collar jobs during the first 8 months of 2021, compared with 30,000 net additions for the whole of 2020. Messaging startup Gupshup has acquired New Jersey-based messaging solutions provider DotGo in a majority stock deal. DotGo is expected to strengthen Gupshup's conversational messaging platform, helping businesses and developers build customer experiences. Healthcare platform Medicabazaar raised $75 million in a Series C funding led by Craigslist along with CDC Group, making it the highest fundraising in the B2B healthcare sector. Online community-based health and fitness marketplace Fitter raised $11.5 million in a Series A funding. Plans are to use this capital to step up growth and expansion into new markets including North America, the United Kingdom and Singapore. Artha Venture Fund, a micro-venture capital fund, launched Artha Access for investing in pre-seed funding rounds. It has earmarked a corpus from its closed fund of Rs 225 crores and will invest up to Rs 25 lakh in each transaction. Veranda Learning Solutions has acquired Uderica, a live online solutions provider for the IT industry, for Rs 245 crores. With this acquisition, the startup plans to expand its footprint in Europe and the Northern American markets as well. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.